Welcome to another InMotion Hosting video tutorial. My name is Arnel Custodio, and today we will be looking at how to use the Full Screen Galleries plugin from Nick Halsey. This plugin allows you to quickly and simply create full screen galleries on your WordPress site. You can quickly install the plugin through the WordPress administrator. Log in to the WordPress admin as an administrator so that we can install the plugin now. Click on Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search field, type full-size galleries. You may see a number of other plugins, but you should go to the specific one by Nick Halsey. Click on the Install button to start the installation. When the installation completes, click on the Activate button. This completes the installation of the plugin. This plugin does not have any settings and automatically works on your content once it's loaded. JavaScript is used to parse through your posts to automatically create galleries. In order for it to work, your content would need to have at least 3 images in a gallery. The plugin also works with both the Classic and Visual Editor. To see it working, you can create a post with a gallery. Here you can see a gallery with several images. You can see the Full Screen Galleries plugin working in preview or by publishing and then viewing the post. You can also hide images that you do not want to appear in the gallery by adding FSG-hidden in the advanced section under additional CSS classes for that block. And that's the simplicity of the Full Screen Gallery plugin at work. You can find more details at the WordPress plugin page. There is also an additional plugin from the developer that creates slideshows based on your content called the Content Slideshow. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.
Check out our InMotion Hosting Support Center for help with your website. We provide thousands of step-by-step guides, videos, and much more to lead you towards making your online project a successful one. You can find us at www.inmotionhosting.com/support.